Oh my god, bro. We are back. Let's go over the week. Aka's working, right? My mic is working. All right. Let's get straight into it. Let's stop wasting time. Monday perfect loss. What was the narrative? Bullish daily CRT to the upside. Daily IRL to ERL. Daily weekly CRT to the upside. We're in the discount area, so you want to buy. We tap the discount area, so our drawn liquidity become the daily range high, which is all over here. And we took a trade. Was a perfect loss, beautiful loss. What is the lesson from the trade? The lesson from the trade is to de-risk on SMT divergence, and it's a perfect trade to keep on going. I trust my edge in the long term, not short term. The missed traders go over this one as well. Same bias upside. Our should for a near continuation, we can trade before 9 a.m. It's only during 8 a.m. because 8 a.m. is the actual where the market actually moves fast. 8 a.m. is where we usually want to look for a near continuation. 7 candles are CRT. On confirmation, the T low right over here. Our key level just CISD. We're going only to the 50% of the day CRT because the near continuation, because we're not buying at the low of the day or high of the day. We're not selling at the high of the day. We're in a dangerous position. So that's why I take profits right over here. Wednesday no trade. Thursday, New York reversal. I'm bullish. I'm want learn session or aid the session to make the low of the day, not the high of the day. In this case, learn session make the high of the day. So I'm looking for a New York reversal profile 1 aim accumulation, 5 aim manipulation, 9 aim expansion. We had a confirmation of this candle, so looking for a total body soup and looking to long from here to the drawn liquidity, which is the ERL. Where are we going here? Because time based, because we're in Thursday, market needs to close on a fair price, so we're not going to expect a big move to happen. So our drawn liquidity is right over here. Friday, our buyers got invalidated. We're still looking for longs here. If I'm bullish, I want a decision to make a low day. In this case, he did make a low day. Then my boss got invalidated instantly. How did my boss get invalidated? Because he had got purged first, which could cause a bearish reaction. I want to say out of that. Now let's go to our lesson improvement. What was the lesson? Wake up at 5 a.m. regardless of how I feel. Regardless if it's New York reversal or New York continuation. ERIX and SMT divergence. I could trade before 9 a.m. and for a New York reversal. I could trade before 9 a.m. as well for a New York reversal or New York continuation, right? I could trade before 9 a.m. Is to be confident in the long term. Now, short term, it could be ups and downs, and the long term is going to be confident. And yeah, that's that. Let's go over our buys. Weekly 3 months, 12 months CRT low got purged. We're going to the 12 months CRT high. 3 months CRT low got purged. We have a key level support in the CRT. We're going to 3 months CRT high. Monthly, we go from monthly discounted IRL to premium ERL. The monthly time frame we as well going from monthly discount area got tapped, so drawn liquidity becomes the daily range high. After tapping the discount area, you can see right here, premium ERL, why does IRL failed? There's a discounted IRL here and it's the daily range here, right? So drawn liquidity automatically becomes this all over here. From here, the discounted IRL goes all to the ERL. First, this is going to be the first drawn liquidity for the IRL to ERL. Second is going to be this daily range high. Why? simply because daily range got created. This daily range is bullish daily range. As you guys know, the higher time frame. Our discount area got tapped. From this discount area, we're going to discount high, which is all over here. From discount area, we're going to the high of daily range, right, which is all over here. What's good, my boy Trader? What's good? What's good? I want to see my mic is working, right? My mic is working. Yep. What's good? What's good? Hey, I'm fine, bro. How about you, my boy? On a monthly time frame, what do we have? What else do we have here in a monthly time frame? CT low got purged. Go to CT high. We have another CT low got purged. On CT high. So our first one goes over here for the monthly time frame. Then is this. When this gets met, then is this. Then is this. Eventually gonna be this for the whole week. Yep, it's audible. Audible. What do you mean by audible? Oh, it's working. Oh, okay. Thank you. Weekly CT low got purged. Our drone link is CT high. We go for weekly ERL to I got invest again one more time. Go to the high that creates IRL, which is all over here. So when the CT gets met, our drone link becomes all over here. Daily time frame, we're going from daily IRL to ERL. When this gets met, we can get a little retracement, eventually get another push back up. But that's that. And now all we gotta do is just do some crypto updates and see what's happening in crypto right now. I haven't checked the whole week, man. Oh yes, baby. Oh shit. Wrong one. Okay. Chat, keep in mind we do have this ACRT that got purged right now. So yeah, CT got purged. Yeah, I got met. Eventually we have this other CRT right over here. That got purged. Go to CRT low. Weekly auto block plus fair value gap. Daily fair value gap in EUSD. What do you mean? Weekly auto block plus daily fair value gap. Oh, this right over here. Weekly auto block for daily fair value gap. Yep. Tweaking, bro. I'm tweaking. I don't really care about that. That's too broad, bro. The lower time frame, I do care about the fair value gap, but that's why I said we may get expansion, then a little retracement to the fair value gap, eventually push it right back. Eventually, we could get another push right back up. Yes, that one. Yes, sir. Yep, I saw that one, brother. But that auto block, did it fill any liquidity here? Oh shit. Crypto just consolidation. Hey, it's a good thing though. It's a good thing. The reason it's consolidation here is because all season could start, bro. We want all to pump up. My shit's getting clapped, bro. I'm getting clapped over here. They clapping my cheeks. Whoa, that's out of wrong a little bit. That's out of wrong a little bit, bro. But CRT of a daily CRT high got purged. We can go to the CRT low. Over to another CRT right over here. This can be first take right. I can take profit here. Let's see what's happening in the higher time frame. This higher time frame, we do have this other CRT as well to the upside. So this CRT could be false. So keep that in mind. I suggest not taking any crypto trades here, bro. Because y'all might get clapped here, man. We have a CRT here. What's the key level for the CRT? This auto block is the key level. This auto block or rejection block, whatever it is. Daily candles are in range. Yep. I see. Which is good. As I said, it's good because all season could definitely start from here. I think we have an SMT divergence with the quality pair, bro. I could bet you this right now. We have an SMT divergence here. Bro, it looks like SMT, bro. It's that candle, right? Push down below where? Okay, let me see this candle. Yeah, SMT divergence, bro. There's a SMT right over here. Okay. Bro, we may get a pushback up here. Chat. SMT divergence of call it a pair, which is Ethereum. Well, let's go to the weekly time frame, which is it could totally even faster. Okay, okay. Yeah, we do have a SMT divergence with the call it a pair. I mean, that has been getting pressed for the past couple weeks now, bro. They kind of press it out. Then this kind of did another big ass move down. So yeah, we got an SMT divergence to call it a pair. This SMT divergence could hold, bro. But we got a another push up to the upside here. With the reward time frame, do we have a confirmation on this? Yeah, we do. We do have a confirmation here. This is the candle double the low. Bro, right there, boom. Boom, we got attack a couple of times. Okay, okay, let's make a video on this. We may have the correction may end here, and or we can get a consolidation here. We get a consolidation around this price point, which is around 100K, as I said before. If we can get a consolidation between 97K to 103K, we're gonna have a good, pretty good. We're gonna have a time where the alt season could start off, man. Let's make a video here. Has the correction in the market came to an end? Will there be another rally in Bitcoin, or will there be a consolidation for the alt season? Let's find out in our weekly crypto market update. We currently have a SMT divergence with a correlated pair with GU, not GU, with Ethereum. This low in Ethereum got purged, while in Bitcoin, this low did not get purged, right? So we have an SMT divergence with a correlated pair, which is basically Ethereum. We have this weekly CRT, as I said, my last thing, we could have a big bearishness to happen to the downside all the till 89K mark, which I was correct, right? Because market went to my 50% mark, makes me automatically correct. But I don't care about being correct, right? Here we have a weekly CRT, right? Weekly CRT, I don't know one right over here, but this CRT that push it down in Ethereum, a strongly get a met, but in Bitcoin, it did not get met. So we have the S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening. And we have another CRT supporting this, and we have a model number one confirmation inside of this right over here. This is the low, this is the candle, the dug below this low. But keep in mind, this low doesn't have a legit low. You just have a bearish candle, right? It doesn't have a legit low, so it could be false as well. But this candle that helped it dug below that low, one more confirmation, and market is currently in this, no model number one, chilling inside of it. This could cause a push back up, or this could cause a consolidation, or we could get another dump, right? For the rally, it could definitely happen. Why? Asking the divergence, souping this low out. We are in a bull run, so we should get another push up, right? We as well did a huge dump and recovered quick as well. S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening. And the John Luke already got met. This CRT low, when the CRT high got pierced, it has already been met. How come it's already been met? Because of the S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening, right? So it's not gonna let the soup happen, right? So that's what we have for Bitcoin. Other words, you could consolidate, right? Why can it consolidate? For alt season to pick up, right? Alts are currently fucking drowning, right? It's below the bear market bottom of last bear market, right? But if this can consolidate between 97k or 95k till 100k price mark, we can consolidate between that price point. We can get alts to pick up. We can let Ethereum, push up or anything like that, right? Because if this is constantly gonna push up or down, it gains too much dominance, right? So we want to lose the dominance on Bitcoin, so alts can pick up. So I want to see a consolidation, or we can get another dump. How could we get another dump? This S&P divergence could be false because the CRT low doesn't have a legit low, but it's crypto, right? This crypto kind of works a little bit different. But with the CRT high got pierced, we got a more confirmation. The 50% mark already got tapped, so we could get a reversal from here, right? Market go back up because the 50% mark got tapped, but it as well could go low down here, right? The S&P divergence could be false simply because of the low not being a legit low here, right? But that's that. That's what I got for Bitcoin. Those are my predictions right over there. Yes, it may be like, oh, well, what's the actual answer? What's the, are we going to see consolidation? Are we going to see a rally? Or are we going to see a bear, right? Bear, we're going to see another correction. That is, you have to pay attention, right? Look at the market. What's the market doing? Does it want to push up or down, right? Right now, it currently looks like it's going to consolidate, right? So no big moves to the upside or downside here. So that's that. Now let's go over Bitcoin. Ethereum. ETH. First out this CRT low. Not CRT low. On a monthly time frame, we have this monthly CRT right over here, right? As you guys know. The CRT got pushed. The CRT got pushed. We're going to CRT low. We have the other CRT on a monthly time frame, but it may not get respected. Market may just push up and respect this other CRT that we have right over here, or this other CRT right over here, right? Because the market pushes back down there, that means definitely Bitcoin should be pushing down, right? So what I see for a for a Ethereum, I typically say right here at this, we still have 12 days until the CRT close, right? On the scanner closure, right? We have this other CRT right over here. We go from a monthly IRL to ERL, monthly CRT supporting this key level to the upside. So that's that as well. We could go from a monthly ERL to IRL, right? And the CRT supporting it as well. So to go to a lower time frame, let me delete this drawing right over here. This market, Ethereum didn't do shit this past week. If you go to the daily time frame, what do we have here? Daily. This is the low. This is the candle that dug below this low right over here, right? This is the candle that dug below this low. So if we get a confirmation above this candle, which is at the 3.1k mark, we could get another push back up all the way, right? Confirmation, but right now is at 2.6k. You guys could accumulate right now, but as a trade, it's not a good thing to do. There's like no opportunities here. But if you're gonna be an investor for the long term, 2.6k mark is a really good mark for accumulation, right? Especially those who accumulate around the 2.2k mark to 2.4k mark, right? So right now for investing is good. For trading, you gotta wait for a confirmation here. You gotta wait till the candle goes above this. Why do you not care about these candles right over here? Because these candles never dug below this other low. So there's our modern confirmation right over here. Bitcoin, what could happen? Not Bitcoin, in ETH, what could happen is potentially we could see a push up, close above this, and get another rally all the way to the upside, or market could just close above this, close above the CRT high, giving us that respect, right? And just consolidating, eventually closing above this model one and giving us a bull run from here on, right? Let's go with 33 here. 33, it trumpet, as I said before. My last update, previous, weekly crypto market update, that the CRT high got pressed. We should go to CRT low. CRT just got tapped. What else do we see here? we have this monthly CRT low got purged. We go to the monthly CRT high. We'll go to another all-time high. This CRT, if this CRT get respected, we can go to another monthly CRT high, with our monthly IRL to ARL, right, as well. Go to the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have this weekly CRT right over here. Could be another target, 1.06 trillion. Right. And of course, on the daily time frame, we have a model 1 confirmation. We currently do not have a model 1 confirmation because this is the low that helped it dug below this low. So if we get a confirmation about around like 994 billion confirmation, the market goes above. If the market goes over there, we should see a push all the way up to the all-time high. And if you go to the weekly time frame, we go to the 4-hour time frame, there's other weekly CRT. Let me see over here. What is this low that dug? Which is the scandal? I'm pretty confused here. I am kind of confused. I think this is low right over here. Yeah, so on the 4-hour time frame, we do have this confirmation. I mean, to me, it looks like this is the low right over here for this weekly CRT. We do have this model number 1 confirmation, and it's currently getting respected. It's currently going to be in profits, right? So this could push up to 106 trillion. Eventually, from there, we could go to all-time high, which is the 1.16 trillion mark, right? And eventually go, higher from there on and start off the all season. Let's go over our last couple too, which is the ETH and Bitcoin dominance. Bro, nothing is happening here. Market is pushing down over here, right? With this monthly CRT, he's gonna probably get disrespected. But we have this 12-month CRT as well here. So on the monthly time frame, if the market goes above this monthly CRT, this monthly candle high, we can get a model number 1 confirmation, and that causes the ulti to happen, right? Which could probably going to be next month, if that could potentially happen, right? So let's go over our Solana. Solana right now, currently, a CRT high got purged. We got respect of it. We can go to CRT low. From here, go push back up, right? So on a daily time, we do have a confirmation for this monthly CRT. Boom, we do have a confirmation here. So as I said in my last video, right, for the Ethereum, for Solana, we could get a push back down all over here. You can see currently right now, you can see market's pushing down, right? We could go push out the CRT low on the monthly time frame, but I feel like market should definitely go to this 168 mark. Why? Because we have another CRT, and the CRT gets purged. We're gonna eventually go from the CRT low to the CRT high, right? On the weekly, what do we have? Weekly, nothing here because this is an inside bar. Right, so our drawn liquidity is short-term right over here. Short-term drawn liquidity, and eventually the long-term drawn liquidity right over here, right? So the $295 mark. Eventually, over here is a very good price to buy in. You buy from the 168 to 154 till 175 is a really good price point to buy in, right? Eventually, you can have a good ass return from here as well. You can have a, let's just say, just buy out of this 168 mark. You can have a potential 74% retrade. You could potentially have a 74% gain, right? Eventually, you can hold it to $300 mark, and eventually go for all the 1x. This investment is going to be more risky. This going to be investment is going to be. With this investment, you're going to have to risk more, right? You have to risk more of your capital because it's not all. Right? I mean, it's not a low cap, it's a really high cap, so you need to probably risk way more than usual, right? So probably like a couple thousand, right? So you can get a huge gain. 100% gain could be 100 to from like 168 till 335 is gonna be 100% gain, right? So that could have it here, right here. This is a beforehand call out. So if we get a push back down to this CRT low at 168, I feel like you should guys buy here or that 154, right? Or between these price point. But I feel like the market should definitely go to the 154 price, eventually push up from here, right? Or 155, right? Whatever that is. This is my weekly crypto market update. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I see you guys inside my Discord. Peace out. Link description down below. Yo, my bad, bro. My boy Daily Candle Range. Have you traded any crypto prop firm? Have you traded any crypto prop firm? I have not yet. I will in the future though. How's your challenge going, bro? literally right now is I'm up 2.5%. I'm just waiting till I get more trades going here. But yeah, that's that, bro. But I'm happy because I lost that other funding. When I lost it, I'm very happy. Those are very happy. It's basically because that prop firm, I never trusted that prop firm, bro. Only paid me out once, which was like 1.8K, right? Only paid me out once. Eventually, the other payout, they just fucking made excuses, right? And eventually took the first payout. It took me 4 months to get paid out, bro. Like, I'm glad, bro. Which brought from 1 of 1, bro. And it still has not paid me out with 3.2K mark. They still have not paid me out on that. But I'm happy. I'm happy it got shut down, bro. Like, fuck that prop firm. The reason I stay with that prop firm is simply because I still have my fundings, right? I'm still like, okay, I probably can have a chance of, getting paid out. But motherfuckers, I've been doing that shit for too long now, bro. And my funded account on that, I was up, right? I could have cashed out, but they said, oh, you failed instantly, right? I was like, okay, how? I don't know how, but which prop firm are we trading now? Currently, my 100K in fundings is in not FTMO, the fuck, funding pips, and I have another 50K in funding pips. So let's see if we can get this other one funded as well. I don't want to be going for like a 25K challenge. I don't want to be going for like a 5K challenge because those are such a low capital, right? I could definitely get funded a lot with a 5K challenge or a 25K challenge because that doesn't really involve any emotions to me, bro. I want to be involved with emotions and conquer it, and yeah. But I'm cool though, you know what I'm saying? Nothing personal. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it just happens. Now it's better for me because I was looking to max that shit out. I was looking to max it out for like a 200K, but hey, I'm happy. These scumbags, bro. But yeah, man, even the prop firm you in, right? You're natural funded, right? That's the prop firm you're currently in, right? You gotta be careful, bro. Most of these prop firms are fucking scummy bags. Yeah, though. Yo, bro, want that 1 billion funded soon, bro? Me too, bro. Hey, I will have like a 5 million fundings, bro. Eventually, from there, I'm looking to start off some hedge fund type of like not gonna be a huge hedge fund, right? But I will make it huge though. My goal is to show me my goal is to show proof. Once I show proof, get investors to invest in me, right? In my funded or not funded accounts, in my hedge fund, right? That I'm gonna start off. Currently, I do trade for people, right? But like it's private, right? It's nothing like, oh, I should have not said that. I don't want to get fucking fucked. But now we're gonna watch me though, right? But I currently do trade for some people. They currently pay me like $500 per management, and if I make money, I'm making extra gains like a 30% split. So they get 70%, I get 30%, right? And I'm up. The trade I took as well, I took it in the computer as well. So yeah, they're up as well. But I can't share the information because it's their shit. You know what I'm saying? And this other guy, bro, this other guy said invest with me, right? He's like, bro, I'm gonna give you this much amount of money. We're gonna have a 50 split, but you're gonna need to risk more. It's because I usually risk 1%, right? They want me to risk 25 fucking percent. He basically wants me to flip it. Are you tripping, bro? I mean, I have no problem with risking 0.25%, but if you want to take that risk, bro, hey, I'm down, bro. 50-50 split, bro. Hey, that's a lot, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because I usually have a 2% management and a 30% split, right? But that's only private though. It's nothing. It's not gonna be online for now. For now, it's gonna be online though. So yeah, that's that. Because every trade, I don't take it all at once, right? If I take my trade on this and my challenge, I usually, sometimes I will, but sometimes I won't, right? It all depends on how I feel. If I try to take it for these people or should I take it for myself only, right? That trade, I took it for me and this other guys. I didn't take it on my funded account because I wanted to pass the challenge. I don't want to risk. I didn't want to fuck up my psychology because that funded account, 100K funded account, I lost it. I was like, damn, kind of hit me a little bit, but you guys know, chat, we're emotionless. We don't feel nothing. But yeah, that's that show, chat. Hey, you guys, my boy Trader, you got any more questions, man? AGG, yes sir, bro. I want to see you get that. I want to see you get $1 billion. I want to see you make $1 million in payouts, bro. That's the goal, bro. Once you get that $1 million in payouts, bro, let me know, bro. I gotta promote. You know what I'm saying? I gotta promote my shit. Literally, the thing you said, uploaded it. I mean, I didn't ask for permission. I'm sorry about that, but I uploaded your, your thing in social media to gain more attractions to my shit. You see, like, it's that easy, right? You see how trading is so easy? You know what I'm saying? It's nothing. You see how ICT is a really good trader, right? Even the guy who, let me turn that off real quick. Even the guy who literally, the powder guy, he's an ICT trader, but he uses ICT type of entries, but he uses TRT. But to get to that level is kind of difficult, right? Most people are like dickheads, right? So they won't even get to that level. And it's way more riskier because you're gonna have a tighter stop loss. You're gonna have way more emotional problems, right? But yeah, ICT usually, bro. I love ICT, bottom of my heart. He literally changed my whole shit, bro. Got me paid out like a couple thousand, right? 5 figures, and made me a lot of money in crypto as well, bro. Usually his concept, I use it for investing as well. But I lost a lot of money on that as well because that, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know about CRTs, but once I started CRT, bro, I literally made all my losses back in one single fucking investment. Literally, Gem. Yes, sir, bro. You see, man, power of CRT, bro. Power of CRT. Because the reason, you know how my boy Romeo himself says, learn from the master, not from the student, right? But the thing is, he can only give information because he spent so much time, right, about learning CRT, about doing a CRT concept, right? Now that his brain is freaking fried, right? So now I gotta take over. I gotta go over there. The concept that it took him 8 years or when he hears it, like a couple decades for him to learn. He taught me about it a couple months, right? It took me a couple months to learn it. Once it took me a couple months to learn it, eventually all I gotta do is master it, right? Because he took all that time to, you know what I'm saying, to get to that level. Now his brain is like, oh, I can't go too further. I can't go further from here on in, right? Now I have to take over from that position from where he left off and remaster it. That's why I say when at the CRT low or CRT high, if there's not a legit low or legit high, look for a different purge, right? Like this. Now the time frame, right? Like this candle right over here, right? This right over here, the purge happened at Pacific time. We had a key level, everything. We had everything here, right? Everything on this right over here. But if you go to lower time, you can see why did you purge it out again? Although you didn't have a key level, simply because of not having legit low. This low right over here, I'm pretty sure you did. Wait, that shit did have legit low. That did have legit low. That was fuck. Actually, no, mind. That was a wrong mistake. I think I did the wrong one here. Oh, right over here. This one right over here. Literally, this right over here, right? That one would have been like a beautiful loss, but this loss right over here that you would have had, you would have not taken it. The reason you would have not taken it straight is because basically for a near continuation, you want to trade from 8 a.m. only, from 8 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. for a near continuation, or till 12 p.m. right? But time is the right time, bro. Like as you guys know, time. The reason they say time comes before price. When they say that, It's not about kill zones, bro. Kill zones are like the 9:55, a.m. macro is that's not a reason why time comes before price. It's the 4 hour candles, right? In this case, the hourly candle, but the 4 hour candles would have been different. You see, this specific time of the 4 hour candle was accumulation. This specific time of the 4 hour candle was a manipulation. This specific time of the 4 hour candle was expansion, right? That's time. And you can see this entry, this purge happened at 6 a.m., which is considered not to be an actual time. It's considered to be a outside the kill zone, which is for the kill zone for New York is from 8 a.m., right? That's why it matters for you guys so much to, the time for a price is not about the kill zone, right? It's about, the 4 hour time frame, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, the 4 hour time frame, open, high, low, close concept, the 4 hour time frame, CRT, the 4 hour time frame, power of 3, right? On this one, this trade right over here, specifically I was talking about. If you were to long this trade right over here, right, you can see CRT low got purged, right? 8 a.m. purged the CRT low. But guess what? Romeo only touched you, the things you already knew because it's very inspired as there. Now I took over from here. Now I gotta redefine it, right? As I said, the CRT low does not have a legit low, so market came back down, purging out this low again. They're giving a more one confirmation. This candle right over here was the one that caused the move to the upside, right? Beautiful 9RR, right? So that's why it'd be mad for you guys to look at the students rather than the masters, right? The masters spent all those time learning it, getting it together. The student is where he refined it, made it better, coined it up, right? So yeah, because Romeo doesn't talk about the daily profile, he doesn't talk about the weekly profile. He talks about the candles profile, right? Which is basically the weekly profile, daily profile, right? He doesn't talk about the order flow. He talks about the if-then principle, which is basically the advanced order flow, right? So you gotta redefine it. But this day, Edison is a London high isn't taken. But this day, London and Asia high is not taken. What do you mean in this specific day? You're talking about Friday. But in this, you said in this specific day, but the high isn't taking. The highs were already taken in this trade here. Yeah, the 7 a.m. will close above the 1 a.m. candle. The highs were already taken. Because if you're bullish, you want the lows to not be taken, right? Because if you're bullish, that's the reason you're looking for a new situation. The only time you look for a new situation is if the age edition or London edition lows has not been taken. So you're looking for a continuation, vice versa as well, right? For a bearish scenario, right? But this trade over here, perfect loss, perfect trade. But we should have definitely de-risked because S&P divergence prevents from sweeps from happening. So you want to de-risk, right? But yeah, my boy, Trader, you got your funded account? Did they verify it and they got you in or not, brother? Let me know about that, man. How's that going, brother? How's that going? They let you in or not? Oh. Yeah, I got it. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, don't rush it, bro. Don't rush it. Make sure you go for a 2RR or above, right? As I said, the rules are very important. Follow the rules. Don't break it. Every time you break your rule, always say that I'm a warrior. I am perfect in executing my trading strategy with unwavering discipline and flawless precision. My commitment to my trading rules is my greatest edge because that's how it's supposed to be. But my observations are different. What do you mean by that, bro? Can you further explain that? Because you don't want that to fuck you up in the funded account, bro. A lot of you guys, it's your first funded account, so you're gonna be like happy and shit. I know you're happy, bro. I know that shit, bro. Now the feeling of the first getting the first one, like, oh, you get a little bit enjoyment, right? You're like, oh shit, I did it. I did it after failing a couple funded accounts, for a couple challenges. But bro, usually what people do, bro, keeping this in mind, what people usually do, they always manage to skew up their first fundings. So, and you want to be wise. So as I said, You want to be wise and ambitious. You keep if you see me state those points before. But what you want to do is, as I said before, be wise and ambitious. What I see everybody doing, my friend filled his first funded account. I got him literally. I got him funded, right? And he failed it, right? I was like, okay, now it's your turn to do every work, right? He literally failed it, right? His first fundings, right? He failed it. Why did he fail it? Because he valued it, right? So as I said, everybody who first, everybody who first, where everybody who gets their first fundings, they usually fucking manage to fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Or you not fuck it up? Don't value it. Follow your rules, right? As I said before, my quote. When I said my quote, I'm a warrior. I'm perfect at following my trading strategy. With unwavering discipline, with flawless. Ah, damn! I fucked it up. Wait, I'm a warrior. I'm perfect in following my trading strategy, with unwavering discipline, flawless positions, and accepting losses and risks as part of the process. A commitment to my trading strategy is my greatest edge because you have a strategy and need rules to govern it, right? But look for a new situation. I don't want London high or an edge had to be. Wait, so if you're looking for a near situation, I don't want London and edge high taken for bullish. That it doesn't work like that. The reason, the only time that will not happen. What do you mean? But that's a New York reversal, my boy. When you're looking for, if you're looking for New York, if you're looking for a continuation, you don't want London session high or edge session high to be taken for a bullishness. That's considered to be a New York reversal, bro. That's right up here. Yesterday, you don't want, as I said, you don't want the London session high to be taken, right? You're looking for a new continuation. This would be considered a New York reversal, right? One of accumulation, 5 manipulation, and expansion. This specific candle is accumulation. This specific candle is a manipulation. This specific candle is expansion, right? So, a continuation is like this. If you're bullish, this is the edge session lows. This is the London session lows. You're looking for a continuation here. You don't want. You're looking for a new continuation. You don't want that edge session or legend to be the high of the day. You want it to be the low of the day. If you're in this case, it's bullish, right? You want it to be the low of the day. In this case, the edition is the low of the day. So that's you're looking for a new continuation, right? What you're stating right now is looks like you're looking for a New York reversal, bro. Trust me. Don't think like, oh, I'm correct. That's it. As I say, never outshine the master, right? But yeah, do it like that. You should be chilling, bro. So all you looking probably have the things a little bit messed up, right? Just this like how can I say this in English? You just got the meaning a little bit different. If I'm bullish in New York, I look organization high as liquidity. That's literally New York reversal, bro. Because New York reversal prevents Asian high or London high from getting souped. So you're looking for a New York reversal from there, right? This case, you probably like, oh, this is a New York situation right here. You could probably say right here, there's a New York situation because the trend is bullish, right? But if you look more deeper, it's gonna be like a New York reversal, right? Instead of a New York situation. That's why I don't want it taken. Because New York reversals usually offer you the day of the usually New York reversal what you're stating right now to me is a New York reversal, right? What it usually offers a really high RR, and it usually offers a really good trade to go for the long term, right? Because usually New York reversal, you're entering at the bottom of the day and you're entering at the top of the day, right? So you're entering basically at the top of the top. You're buying low, you're selling high. You're selling high, you're buying low, right? And you could literally use that move, that the thing you just stated, to the long term. So you could literally, if you were to enter this trade, you could use this trade to the long term, which is all the weekly CRT high, right? We could have used this trade to the long term, all the way to the CRT high, right? So that as well, bro. So that's that. That's why you don't. That's why you like it. That's why it's more high. The New York reversal is way more higher probability than New York situation because New York situation you're entering in a position where it's dangerous, right? But if you want to make profit, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. I'm saying. Market's not always gonna give you a perfect entry. So yeah, that's what I know what you're trying to say, bro, because it offers you way more or higher RR, gives you better risk to reward ratio. It gives it could you could literally use that move to a longer term basis, risking the lower time frame to target the higher time frame. But yeah, chat, I'm done for the day. I did what I gotta do, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow, gang. See you tomorrow, though. London session. I'm not London session for New York session. I'll see you guys later, bro. Peace out, chat. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace out, bro.